Have you noticed that your days feel shorter, even though your tools are getting smarter? Every time we're told that AI is saving time, something strange happens. That time doesn't come back to us. It quietly disappears. Today, we're not talking about jobs being replaced. We're not talking about scary robots. We're talking about the silent cost, the cost you're paying without ever seeing the bill. At first, the promise was simple. AI would write faster, shorten meetings, organize work, and give you more time for life. And in many ways, it worked. An email that took an hour now takes a minute. A report that took a day now takes moments. But ask yourself honestly, where did the time that was saved actually go? This is where the paradox begins. Every minute AI saves is instantly filled with another task. We're not working less. We're working faster. AI didn't reduce pressure. It raised expectations. What once felt like exceptional productivity has quietly become the new minimum. The real question isn't whether AI is useful, it's who benefits from this efficiency. In most cases, companies benefit, systems benefit, algorithms improve, and humans. They work faster, think less deeply, and stop less often. The cost isn't money. The cost is focus, depth, and the ability to pause. When life is shaped by algorithms, what you watch is suggested, what you read is selected, even what you think is guided. AI doesn't take your time by force, it takes it through convenience. The solution isn't rejecting AI, and it isn't fully surrendering to it. The solution is awareness. Use AI for specific tasks, not everything. Protect the time it saves. Don't fill every empty space with more work. Remember, speed is not always progress. AI is a powerful tool, but the most important question isn't what it can do, it's what you're allowing it to do to your life. The silent cost is real, and the choice is still yours.